That was pretty mad. That was pretty sick. I don't know how they do round 2 is going to be much better. Whoever's on the outer circle is ending up winning. That was much better. This shot they had went for 4 tries. And the final try, that was awesome. The way he went all around in one stretch without braking, that was mental. That's it. They're going in now. The next set is gonna come out. So the next Mazda Roadster that's coming up, I actually saw him in the practice rounds and he was pretty good. So I'm hoping there's gonna be a really good one. Quick correction, you guys. So I've come to learn that this is not a Datsun 580 but a Silvia. Hence the lineup here. Silvia, 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 and one more going out. Alright guys, enough of the fun and games. We're gonna go into the finals now. Two of my favorites are participating, the Silvia and the Skyline. Let's see who wins now. That was awesome. I can't believe the Silvia actually won. So I spoke to the guy and we might be making more videos with that car because I just love the way it is. The stance, the Rocket Bunny kit on it. So stay tuned you guys. We might be working with him soon to make more videos. That was awesome. So the figuring out who's going to be the winner in category A. I have to rush and close the video because my battery is dying and I want to do an outro before it dies fully. So the second place in category B and the Silvia was the Silvia was the winner in category B. Both my favorites. Going to be shooting a lot more content. So stay tuned you guys. If you like today's video, smash the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and smash the subscribe button also, and let me know down in the comments how you like today's drifting, and let me know which one was your favorite. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until the next time, peace.